So they said, Uncle Bull Cow, they said, you ain't never been to Culver's? You ain't never had Culver's before? And I said, no. And they all laughed at me. So you know what I said to them? I said, have you ever had Culver's HELLFIRE burger before? And they said, no. And then I laughed at all of them. Alright, so I got some cheese curds here. They're in the bag though, so when I went in there, I don't know a good way to do this. I don't want to burn my hands, people. That's what they look like. Wisconsin cheese curds. So this is the big thing, I guess, is this butter burger and cheese curds is the way to go around here. See what they do. All right, pretty good. What about that HELLFIRE butter burger? I'm sorry about these lights, guys. Darn. That's crazy looking right now. Oh man, look at that thing. Let's show them how to. Most of these people nowadays don't know how to build a HELLFIRE burger. So I'm gonna have to learn, y'all. There you go. You take the top of the burger off like that. Get you some super hot peppers. We got a yellow, a red, and a white in there. All right. Chop these things so that they'll stay on the burger. You don't want them falling off. If they do, you just put them right back in. And you just start layering it. That's all. Do a red pod, like so. Ooh. That's a ghost pepper right there. That thing's hot.
How's everything quick, sir?
Really good. Thank you, man. All right, you got a ghost pepper. We're gonna put the. Oh, that one's got a little black spot on the end. Put the yellow one there, like that. Well, you know what? Maybe we'll save the white one for the cheese curds. No, I'm good. Thank you. All right, guys. The HELLFIRE butter burger from Culver's. Wow. They were not lying. That is good. I don't know. These cheese curds, I got a small or a single. That's a lot of cheese, man. They're good, though. If you're in the mozzarella sticks, you'll like these. I don't think I'll eat all of them, though. Wow. A little bit closer here. Let's get up close and personal. Ooh, that first bite was hot, man. The cheese is good to wind it down. You know? That's a darn good burger right there, guys. It's pepper season. Get you some super hots and go get you a good burger. Slice them up, put it on it. is top notch. Comment below if you've ever had Culver's before. I watched some fast food. Ooh, that was hot. Like ghost pepper. That just hits different. Let's try something really cool. We're gonna cut open that white scorpion pepper. Put a cheese curd in it. The Culver's Gusher, people. Okay, I'm burning. Real good. Wow. Woo. Anyways, I've seen some YouTubers reviewing Culver's and they go nuts over it. I don't eat a lot of fast food. But there's a Culver's not far from me. It's about 8 minutes away. I think it's been here for about a year. I've never had it before. You guys know I've done a HELLFIRE burger everywhere else. Five Guys, Burger King, whatever. A couple other places. That's so hot. Wow. I got a freaking significant burn going right now. The flavor of the peppers, though, those peppers would make a mid-grade burger taste good. But something that's this good, man, whole nother level, guys. Whole nother level. All right, I'm gonna finish up here. I am burning really good. Culver's. I mean, as far as fast food burgers, they don't get no better than this. Uncle Bookhouse freaking loves you. What?